Speech on Pakistan Independence Day, August 14, 1947. Ladies and gentlemen. Today, we gather to celebrate one of the most significant days in our nation's history, the 14th of August, Pakistan's Independence Day. It is a day that marks the birth of our beloved country, a day when the dream of countless Muslims of the Indian subcontinent became a reality. On this momentous day in 1947, the struggle, sacrifices, and unwavering determination of millions of people bore fruit as Pakistan emerged as a sovereign nation. The journey to independence was not an easy one. It was marked by immense hardship, suffering, and sacrifices made by our forefathers. It is their resilience and courage that we honor today. The struggle for Pakistan's independence was spearheaded by visionary leaders like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. His leadership, integrity, and steadfast commitment to the cause of a separate homeland for Muslims inspired millions. He envisioned Pakistan as a place where we could live with freedom, dignity, and the opportunity to practice our religion, culture, and traditions without fear of oppression. As we reflect on the significance of this day, it is crucial to remember the principles upon which Pakistan was founded. Quaid-e-Azam's vision for Pakistan was rooted in the values of unity, faith, and discipline. He dreamt of a nation where justice, equality, and democracy would prevail, ensuring the well-being and prosperity of all its citizens. Today, as we celebrate our independence, we must also recognize the responsibilities that come with it. Our nation faces numerous challenges, but we have always risen above adversity with courage and resilience. It is our duty, especially as the younger generation, to carry forward the legacy of our founding fathers by contributing positively to our society. Education is the key to our progress and development. By equipping ourselves with knowledge and skills, we can drive our country towards a brighter future. We must strive for excellence in every field, be it science, technology, arts, or sports. It is through hard work, dedication, and innovation that we can make Pakistan a prosperous and developed nation. Furthermore, we must uphold the values of tolerance, respect, and unity. Pakistan is a diverse country with people from various ethnicities, languages, and cultures. Our strength lies in our diversity, and it is essential to foster an environment of harmony and mutual respect. By embracing our differences and working together towards common goals, we can build a stronger and more inclusive Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, as we hoist our national flag today and sing our national anthem with pride, let us remember the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom. Let us honor their legacy by committing ourselves to the betterment of our nation. Each one of us has a role to play in shaping the future of Pakistan. In conclusion, let us pledge to work tirelessly for the progress and prosperity of our beloved homeland. Let us strive to build a Pakistan that embodies the vision of Quaid-e-Azam, a Pakistan where justice, equality, and democracy reign supreme. Together, we can overcome any challenge and achieve greatness. May Pakistan live long and prosper. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.